Hey, good day folks, this is Malik for Swift Nimbus. Thanks for visiting my channel. I'm back again with another video of unboxing. This time I'm doing a videos on Gadget on budget. Yep, as part of the first series, I'll be doing an unboxing of a tablet holder which I bought from Gadget Remix. Okay, the brand of the tablet holder is Remax. As you can see here, it's actually meant for 7 to 15 inch tablets and iPad Pro, and it shows here as high stability, strong and super safe. That's the product feature, and it's usable for many Apple products, of course, iPhone, iPads and Samsung and Huawei. Yep, I bought this for my Huawei Mate 20X phone, the beast, as you can see here. Yep, it's for my beast actually. Okay, let's see how it fits perfectly onto the tablet holder. Okay, let's do the unboxing now. Okay, as you see, the package is quite straightforward. It's perfectly done packaging. Let's put that aside. Let's unbox it right now. There you go, the gadget itself. As shown on the box, it's black and yellow color, and you can see the logo Remax there. Some of you guys would like to have so-called a tablet holder on your table, and you'll be actually looking for a tablet holder, and I would definitely recommend to get this, as this design is quite sturdy, and it will perfectly match your table, any type of table, be it small or big. It's nicely constructed. It doesn't have the clumsy feel, well balanced, and it rotates 360 degrees, so you can watch your tablet in any direction and in any views. Okay, let's try to fit in my Huawei Mate 20X. There you go. It was actually a smooth process, wasn't that difficult to fit in. By the way, Huawei Mate 20 is 7.2 inch, just for your info, and you can see how nicely it looks. Very futuristic design. This product is actually from China. If you want to know where is it from, it's actually from China, and I actually bought it for $18, 18 Sing dollars. Yes, that's the price of it. I would definitely recommend for you guys to get it. Go and get it. It's actually from Gadget Remix. It's a good tool for your handphone and tablets. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.